Hold on to your hats, folks, because today we're diving headfirst into the brand new 2025 Lexus TX, the three-row SUV that's got everyone buzzing. Is it just another luxury SUV, or does it actually live up to the hype? Let's find out. Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the all-new 2025 Lexus TX. Lexus is throwing its hat into the very competitive three-row SUV ring. And boy, they are coming in hot. The TX aims to replace the aging RXL and offer a true luxury experience for families. Forget everything you thought you knew about Lexus SUVs, because this is a completely new ballgame. We're talking sleek exterior styling, a spacious and well-appointed interior, and of course, the Lexus reliability we all know and love. But is it enough to steal buyers away from the likes of the Acura MDX, the Infiniti QX60, or even the popular Kia Telluride? We're going to cover everything from the exterior design to the interior features, the engine options, and of course, the all-important price point. We will be looking at the available trims and packages, highlighting the key features that set the 2025 Lexus TX apart from its rivals. We'll explore the technology offerings, like the infotainment system, the driver assistance features, and connectivity options. It's all about creating a comfortable, convenient, and safe driving experience for you and your family. Plus, we'll break down the performance. How does this thing actually drive? Let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2025 Lexus TX offers a range of powertrains, including a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder, a hybrid option, and even a plug-in hybrid for those looking to maximize fuel efficiency. We'll delve into the horsepower and torque figures, fuel economy estimates, and the driving dynamics of each engine option. Does it have enough power for those long road trips? Is it fuel efficient enough for daily commutes? We'll answer all those questions and more. And speaking of road trips, the TX boasts ample cargo space and seating for up to 7 passengers. We'll explore the interior dimensions, the legroom in each row, and the overall comfort level of the seats. Whether you're hauling kids to soccer practice or embarking on a cross-country adventure, the TX promises to be a comfortable and capable companion. Plus, we are checking out the cool features like Panoramic Sunroof, premium sound system, and advanced safety technologies that are designed to enhance your driving experience. We're going to see what the Lexus TX offers in terms of luxury, technology, and overall value. Is it worth the price?